It's about that time. Chow time. Chow time. Chow time. Morning chow is here, dog. First of all, I want to say happy Friday to everybody, dog. I'm a little bit excited right now. I ordered a breakfast burrito from Tacos Gavilan. This is my first time trying one, dog. It is a burrito de huevo con carne asada. She feels heavy. She smells good, but does she look good? Let's undress her, dog. Let's see how beautiful she looks. Damn, baby. You look beautiful. Look at that. Damn, you smell good, baby. But do you taste good? Taste her. I think it has beans, rice, egg, and carne asada. I'm still trying to taste the meat. Dog, I'm gonna keep it real. Taco Gavilan. This might be one of the worstest breakfast burritos ever. There's hardly any meat. I don't even know where the egg is at. This tastes nothing but like beans and rice, dog. But you know what? I love food, so I'm gonna eat it, dog. But would I get this again? I doubt it, homie.